Alright, hey everyone, just looking at first couple of days of the week. We've had an awesome start to the week on pound dollar again, and if we look at what's been happening, we had this consolidation mode here, and I was actually looking at buying for this big move higher. So I was actually coming out of Friday into Sunday, I was actually believing we were going to get this big move up, and so my intention coming into Sunday was actually to be a buyer at a certain level based on what I believe the banks were going to do. And so that was my approach, and so I was actually looking at getting long in this level here, somewhere around here, and actually expected this move all the way up for over 100 pips. So let's just open my deal map. So I took out the first position at break even for plus 10, plus 12, and then the last position was 120 pips. Tried a quick scalp at the end of the day. Often you can get that after the North American session here in Asia. However, we made one pop higher, so lost 10 pips, and then got the short correct for 22 pips coming into the end of the Asian session for Tuesday. And again, I believe that we're going to get a continuation. So as you can see, I got long again right at the bottom before London opened, and when London opened, we shot up quite strongly, pulled back, and then continued up. And so that last position was taken out for 101 pips, and then played a short reversal for about 12 pips. So great start to the week. 130, 140 pips on the first day, and then 22 pips there, and then 101 pips on the last trade. These were just singular positions, so I didn't actually enter multiple positions. I did on another account. This is my strategy account, and so there are times where I enter multiple positions. There are times based on the setup where I will only enter 2 or 3 positions rather than the standard 5 or 6. And again, it's all relative to my risk parameters. So great start to the week, massive run up from the bottom to the top. We had almost 250 pips. I got 120 on the first and 100 on the second from buying the bottoms of the market. And if you can understand market structure, which is what I analyzed as I came into the start of the week, and if you know where the banks enter in the market, then you can actually get really accurate timing of your trades, as you can see here, buying the bottoms on both instances and selling right at the top. And this is the way we can get our reward to risk asymmetric, keep our risk very, very tight, and get those big rewards. So if you guys are interested in learning how to trade like this, jump online at Elite Traders University with Greg McLeod. Get him as your personal mentor. He has a number of amazing courses there. My new course is also there, the London Banker's Strategy, which is what this trade is based on. So book a link to talk with us about your trading and how we can help you, and how we can take your trading to the next level and actually learn how to get your timing right to trade the tops and bottoms, and to not get caught in the mess, and to be trading with the big boys. So if that's what you want to do, then we're able to help you with that, and we'd love to see you on board.